we're cooking with seasonal produce today. Owen, what's in store for June? What can we look forward to?
One of the big things everybody's looking forward to, berries.
Yeah.
This is when you can get those local berries that are so good. Lettuces are also going to be really good. Asparagus is another thing people really love in the spring. And beets. You know, we're getting into the season where beets are going to be ready, so we've got some great stuff.
Okay, Bianca, you're up with a lemon vanilla tofu crema.
Yes, and we are garnishing it with our hero, the berries that are going to be thyme scented.
Okay.
So, Owen, I'm
Yes.
going to get you to cut those strawberries in half and add the rest of the berries to the bowl. Mary, you're going to put in that silken tofu.
Ooh, yeah.
So our tofu crema is made with silken tofu, and this is meant to mimic a pudding. So it
Okay.
must be silken tofu, or else you're going to be selling this as pudding, and it'll be granular.
Yeah,
Not
okay.
cooler.
No.
So it's also important that you remember that the berries are in season in June, July, August, and this is a time where you want to buy them in bulk and then freeze them on trays, and you'll have summer berries in the wintertime. And what I love about this recipe most is that you can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, because I personally sweat all summer long. She's sweating, he's sweating, we're all sweating.
Yeah.
And so this doesn't require you heat up the element, heat up the cafe stove or oven.
Yeah.
You're welcome. So this is something you can just like weave into your repertoire on those like really hot summer days.
And I guess there's protein, right?
Yeah, it's a complete protein. That's why you can have it for breakfast, lunch,
Sure.
or
Oh,
dinner.
wow.
And am I doing maple syrup?
You're gonna put maple syrup in
Okay,
there.
that's
You're
so
gonna put
Canadian.
always.
My fave ingredient.
It's really delicious. I mean, instead of using honey or anything in your coffee, I use maple syrup, just a tip. So then a little bit of cinnamon. You're gonna zest some of that lemon and put some lemon juice in it as well.
Love.
And Owen, what I'm gonna get you.
I got to ask you about silken tofu again. With the difference between the two, I know one is granular.
Yeah.
But what is it used for certain recipes?
Well, you would generally find silken tofu is the one that's used most in dessert.
Uh-huh.
And you can even find like the tofu packs that are actually dessert flavored. Don't do that. Make your own.
Yeah.
They're not going to taste as good
that's
as if
good
you
to
do
know.
it on your own.
That's cheating.
It's
Sure.
Thank you.
Silken
Get it.
tofu is basically, like, as tofu ages, it's similar to cheese. They
Yes.
press more water out of it.
Uh-huh.
So firm tofu has just been pressed and compressed for longer, so it gets more firm.
and
And
it's
the water gets pulled out.
I gotcha.
Kind of like a cheese.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. All right.
And then, so Mary, you're also going to add that coconut oil as
Love.
well. And the coconut oil is just to make it like silky and smooth because, again, we're trying to mimic pudding, so we really want to sell it as a pudding, creamy and smooth.
Beautiful.
And then you're going to fire it up, Mary
Vanilla
Bird.
bean or no?
Yeah, the vanilla
yeah,
juice.
girl.
Sorry, I think I said
Yeah,
that.
no, I'm in.
I'm
I'm on.
to try this.
Yeah.
Like, if I see vanilla bean, I'm
It's
not
gonna be a
wasting
vehicle
that
for all
little
this
puff.
flavor.
Everyone was very skeptical backstage. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
But it's delicious.
Okay. You're going to change our mind.
I am going
Bianca.
to change your mind. And see, it comes together really quickly.
Wow.
I mean, okay, so what it's going to look like is what that bowl in front of Mary Bird looks like there.
I liked the last time. I'm going to taste it right now.
Oh, okay. Be nice.
Oh, that's delicious. The cinnamon in it? Oh, that's
Yeah,
I could eat that
right?
for breakfast.
And the thing about berries is they come alive when you add things like lemon, you add things like vanilla to them. They're like the salt or seasoning
Yes,
of these berries.
that's true.
And
that's
I actually don't like any other fruit other than berries, so I'm a berry connoisseur. And I'm
Oh.
telling you, always add lemon and vanilla, and it will change the game. Even if they're
Okay.
like kind of like not the best, that will help. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mary Bird.
Look at that, right?
Yeah.
And then so we're gonna add those in too, Owen.
Okay.
A little bit of the thyme leaves.
Love.
And what I want to encourage people to do is during the summer months when things like thyme and sage and rosemary are affordable and also really delicate and beautifully flavored, use them in sweet things too. You can.
Yeah, that's cool.
Quite
Yeah.
nice.
When they're that light green color, sometimes they get woody. Like when you think of thyme
So
as
go
a
for
chicken,
light,
it's
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
You
so-
want the like light green
Totally.
thyme.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good to know.
And then
yeah.
so I'm gonna get you to pass me
Yes.
that completed version.
There you go.
Okay.
Would you like
And
it?
so it'll look like this.
Get-
You'll have
get ready
flecks
for a
of the vanilla
game
in it. It's great. And then you just want to give it a stir.
That looks delicious.
Thanks, guys. I mean, you have a book, Mary,
Shahir's
so
gonna
I'm
have
feeling
one.
pretty.
Shahir's going to go for it because he needs some sustenance before he makes his beef salad. This
And
could
then
change his life.
Owen
today.
is gonna garnish with the berries.
Yeah, I like the fact that you put the lemon too with the berries.
I
You're
like
right.
this.
And you also, with this recipe, it's a base. So you can swap out all of these sweet flavorings, add some sauteed onion and some cheese. You have a really velvety cheese sauce.
Okay.
You could add a little avocado, lime, cilantro, and you have like an avocado crema for your tacos. So, I mean, go wild. This is the base, but it can be, and all of these are on Maryland.ca.
Yes, they are. Now, do me a favor and take a little bit of a spoonful of that.
For sure, yeah.
Oh,
These?
no, don't take that.
Not from
we need
the
that
heroic.
we need that for the pretty picture.
Okay.
Eat from the bowl like we all do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chicken meat salad.